Prairie Hill Puppies. We are here with Nala and Major Tom's 3 little boys. The Cavapoo puppies. These are F1s, 50-50. King Charles Cavalier Poodle. The green collar there is Easton. He's exploring the little bed. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. And the blue collar over there is Memphis. Playing with a blanket. And they found some toys. And then, yeah, here's a little red collar. That one's Hudson. He's exploring the treat. And yeah, look at these little collars on them. Now they don't like it. Are you hiding under there? Come here, buddies. There we are. Say hi. Here's a little blue one. There's Memphis. Yep. The process releases millions of gallons of water gushing down